Hi, let me tell you about the Snow Tag, produced and designed by Asgard Outdoor. The Snow Tag is one of the most popular ski accessories of the 23-24 year, made from 100% recyclable nylon material. Its purpose is to display the style and personality of ski enthusiasts and also to act as a safety marker. Likewise, it can serve as an extension for zippers. The tag comes with a pure metal clasp on top, which allows it to be hung on clothes, backpacks, helmets, or anywhere you choose. Skiers can pick from different colors of snow tags: green, blue, black, and orange, which correspond to easy, intermediate, difficult slopes and park terrain. Customers can select based on their ski level or color preference. We have 10 different options available now. There's something for every kind of skiing enthusiast. It's well loved due to its excellent texture and innovative design. It's not just snow tags. We're gearing up to introduce more outdoor tags to satisfy the needs of various other outdoor enthusiasts. They're simple, imaginative, and highly versatile.
Snow Tag, show your style.